guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And we are here at Mohican State Park in Loudonville, Ohio again.
Again.
Grizzly's whining
Yeah,
again.
I was just going to say, and there's Grizzly. What are we here? We're here this weekend, a beautiful fall weekend. The sun is shining, the leaves are gorgeous again. Really lucking out this year, but yeah, last year we had a lot of rain, so I think we're pretty good that we're getting a lot of good weekends this year. We are here with Around Town with the Browns, Jen and Will, and some of their family. They invited us. Thanks for the invite, guys. I know we've been here a lot, so you've seen a lot out here of our videos. Yeah. But we're going to check out a couple different places today. And
the new nature center should be open. We haven't seen that yet. As a matter of fact, last time we were here, they were still building it.
Yes, last couple times we've seen them building it. I know we've had some pictures in the past. So yeah, looking forward to checking that out. And who knows what else we're going to find. So we'll take you with us.
Yep.
Catch up with you later.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain.
So we stopped here at the new Mohican State Park Visitor Center. Last time we were here, they were just building it, so pretty excited to go inside and check this one out. We'll bring you guys along.
Holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this. If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit. There's a new day to leave behind your trouble.
All right, guys, so we're at a new place to us. We've never heard of this place. I guess it's been here family owned. It's been here forever, but we just found it, stumbled across it. It's the Mowery Cider Mill, so let's take in.
There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this. If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit. There's a new day, it is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There will be new ways. This is not the end. We got time on our side.
And of course, a trip to Amish country just isn't complete without checking out some Heinis. Cheese.
I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive, and the time
we thought our streak of nice weather had run out. It's rained most of the night, but now that we're getting ready to leave, the sun's coming out.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
All packed up and ready to go, and here comes the sun.
Yeah.
But that's okay. It'll make it for a little better drive home than if it was raining.
Yeah.
So what did we do this weekend? This was a quick weekend, but we did bum around some yesterday. We
saw the new visitor center here.
Yeah, it's nice. It's beautiful. It looks huge from the outside. The inside didn't seem that big. There's a lot of rooms, I think, but it was pretty. It was nice. Yeah, definitely something to check out.
And then we stopped just outside of town is Mowery Cider Mill, which apparently has been there since what, 1901?
1901. Still the same press.
Still the same
cider
press
that they used. I think she said it was patented in like 1883 or something, and then but they built this cider mill in 1901.
Yeah.
I feel like that sun is right on you,
yeah,
your face.
Okay. But yeah, I mean, I've never known it was there. I mean,
no.
I've been coming to this area since the 80s. I had no idea it was there, and it's literally just outside of town.
Yeah, just up the hill off. Is it Main Street? I think it might actually be called Main Street. I'm not sure, but whatever that Main Street is, in downtown Loudonville, you just keep going up the hill, and it's up on the left-hand side. Yeah, we can't believe it. We've never heard of it.
We'll be back.
We'll definitely be back. Amazing cider, popcorn, all your jellies, all your fun stuff.
Lots of good stuff.
Super nice, friendly lady in there. Gave us a little tour of the press and explained how it worked, and that was pretty cool. That was really neat to see. Neat place. Definitely check it out if you're in the area.
Yes. After that, we kind of headed toward Amish country for just a little bit.
Yeah.
Stopped in Millersburg, went to Millersburg Brewing.
Yep.
I like that place.
I like that place
I would definitely go back there.
Yeah. It was big. I was impressed. It was a big place. It was busy. Lots of people in there.
Good food, good beers.
Yeah, for sure.
And then, then we headed over to Heine's.
Yeah.
We wanted to get some cheese.
Cheese sampling.
Yeah. Going on a Saturday is probably not the best idea. It's busy.
Yeah.
That whole area is busy.
It's always busy.
It's so commercialized anymore.
But it was fun.
Yeah. Then we came back here.
Yeah.
We had our little potluck.
Nice to meet everybody. Jen's cousins and some family, and it was a good time. Thanks for having us. Thanks for inviting us, and it
was nice being here and not being in the snow. Last few times we've been, last 3 years. Last 3 years, I think, now we've been here. It's
snowing because we always come in the winter.
Yeah. So
this is such a pretty area, though. We love Mohican.
Yeah.
And
I think it's time to head home.
Yeah. Time to hit the road. Keep it safe in your travels.
Keep between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye.
Bye.